Mill machine basic operation tutorial. This mill machine tutorial will focus on hardware structure, machine settings, and frequently used function including controller and control panel operation. The red box indicates control modes. When the user turns the rotary switch, the corresponding control mode will also show on controller. In this example, we can see the control modes from left to right are ZRN, Auto, MDI, MPG and Jog. ZRN means move the selected axis to home, Auto means run program after press cycle start. MDI means input single program and run. MPG means move selected axis by using MPG, manual pulse generator. Jog means control the axis movement toward the selected direction. In MDI mode, use 21 series controller with 8 function keys. For example, user needs to press F4 monitor on main screen, then press F3 MDI input, and input single program in pop-up window. Press F1 OK and cycle start to run the program. There are rotary switches to change jog and spindle override, which can be switched to a smaller value to protect machine. Machine coordinates were set by machinery manufacturer. Absolute coordinates are the reference coordinates for CNC program. Relative coordinates can be used to observe relative distance between specific points by using zero relative coordinates function. Distance to go represents difference between current position and destination in NC file command. Reference pointer points are required for one or multiple workpieces. Use 21 series controller with 8 function keys. For example, user needs to press F3 offset setting on main screen. Then press F1 workpiece coordinates and move focal point to the axis to teach. At this moment, tool should move to the reference point, which is usually at the edge of workpiece. Then, press F1 apply mechanical coordinates. And press F1 to confirm coordinate teaching. For mill machine, edge finder is used for locating the home of XY axis for workpiece coordinates and center of workpiece. For example, the tip of edge finder is a sphere where its diameter is 4 mm. When the edge finder touches the edge of workpiece, additional movement of 2 mm is required to align the edge finder with the edge of workpiece and teach workpiece coordinates. In this step, the value on edge finder should be 0. To use center function, user needs to move tool to 4 edges as figure shown, and press set for each edge. After 4 edges are set, press F5 latch auxiliary coordinates to calculate and memorize the center coordinate of workpiece automatically. There are some methods to set home of Z-axis, such as G54 workpiece coordinates and toolset. Toolset is used for example, when tooltip touches workpiece. Type Z0 to save current machine coordinates to geometry and tool length, and other tools should follow the same steps. The diameter of tools are usually saved in CAM software to calculate path. In this case, the diameter does not require to key in repeatedly. Normally, most mill machines are equipped with several tools, so we use multi-tool multi-workpiece. For example, press F3 offset setting on main screen, then press F3 tool tip measure. Change auto tool function mode to mode 3, multi-tool multi-workpiece, and change tool number. Fill in the parameters, and press F1 to start. Tool length will be saved automatically after this step is finished. After that, select workpiece number. Move tooltip until it touches workpiece and press F3 Z delta set to save value and calculate Z home. After the setting of machine is finished, it is necessary to create new program or load program. To create new program, please refer to the following link for program manual. To load existing program, press F2 program on main screen, then F8 file manager to select file you want to open, and press F5 execute to load file. To save file to USB or copy file from USB, press F2 program on main screen, then F8 file manager, F4 file transfer. and press F1 to import or F2 to export, then press F2 to select File, or Files to transfer, and press F1 to copy file. Press F2 Program on main screen, then press F7 Simulation to view the machining path of this program. In this page, user can check path of program line by line, zoom in to check specific area, and modify the color of path, color of cursor and view angle. To check machine information, press F4 Monitor on main screen, then press F4 Parameter Set to check more information and setting, such as runtime, G00 and G01 override, spindle override, set start block. Press F4 again to check line number, set part counter, set feed rate and spindle speed, and check spindle speed and loading. When process is interrupted due to unexpected events such as tool break or power failure and require to return to specific line of program, user needs to use tool break handler program function. To use this function, find line number in monitor window and key into start block, then press enter, and press F1 OK when pop-up window shows. Program will go to the line which user key in, then press cycle start to resume from that line.